Let's talk about secrets in AI. Conventional wisdom and frankly customers dictate that AI shouldn't be able to access enterprise level secrets directly as secrets. In an LLM, obviously, are potentially bad because they can make it easier for a bad actor to access information they shouldn't be able to access, frankly. And by secrets here, we're talking about things like passwords, tokens, API keys, that kind of stuff. So today we're launching a very new and exciting feature of ATP360 where we've been building in a secrets management capability that will store secrets in Azure Key Vault. And when requested as part of a test, AI will do all of the background work to put the right UI control in focus, but then it will hand off to some good old-fashioned deterministic automation to actually insert the secrets so that AI cannot see them. The idea is that they'll be handled entirely securely, at rest in Key Vault, in transit, and then after they've been requested, they'll be kept away from LLMs altogether. Let me show you how it works. It's an awesome feature. So I'm going to drop in here my test, which is this file here, video file, and just get it to be processed and have the test steps extracted from it in the background here. And while this is happening, I'll show you the test itself and its transcript. So this is the video file itself. It's just basically me talking to camera. That's all it is. And this is the transcript that I extracted from it to give you an idea. So loosely, I'm going to get ATP360 to log into the Pets at Home website. I've given it my username, but I haven't given it a password. Now I'll show you how that will work and how that will be handled in just a second. Okay, great. I can see this is now done. And we have our test steps. And you'll see here that in step 1, open the browser and navigate to petsathome.com and log in using this account. Great. So you can see there is a secret in there, which is got from the transcript, which is my email address. But it hasn't got a password, but needs one. Now, if I simply proceed, then it will say, no, it will prevent me from starting a test effectively. You'll see run test is sort of grayed out, but we're asked, do we want these secrets to be saved or not? Let's say yes, great. It will ask me for the one secret it has got, how I want to refer to that secret. So we're asked for some metadata. Let's just put Bruce demo on the end of this, Bruce, or something to that effect. You can tag effectively secrets with sort of free-form tags. Let's put in website for this one. You can multi-select them. Website already exists in here, so you can see it auto-selected. And we've got description in here, and we've got the type. Now you'll see username was auto-selected because that's what we thought it would need to go in as. But you can see there are a number of other secret types that we can support, which is really cool. Username and password and API key, I suspect, will be the most common ones, but we'll see. Who knows? So feedback on this is really interesting. So we're going to hit save. And now you can see that only one of the 2 required secrets has been provided. Click on the highlighted placeholders to fill them. So now if I scroll up to the test, you'll see this is my highlighted placeholder for password. You'll see that because we know this is a password, we've automatically selected the type of password. And we're showing you secrets that are of type password from here. I can't see, load more, let's see if it's already in there. Password, there is a password already stored for this, cool. So I could simply select this, but I could also add a new one. The whole point really to make about this is where you see a form like this, rather than being asked for something in a chatbot, it's very clear there is no AI in the loop, which is kind of very important when handling these secrets, because we don't want LLMs to see them. But there we go, I can select my existing password, and if I scroll down to the bottom, everything's ready to go. Are you ready to kick off execution? Yes, I am. Let's start the test now. And we'll see as the test progresses what happens and how it kind of is handled. I may sort of skip around in this video so you don't have to watch some of the test actually happening. Here you go. You can see the test is now at that point where it's inserting the cursor into the email address box. And you will see on the left-hand side, we've got our steps. And of course, we've got our username and our password here. Obviously, I can't see the actual secrets. That's very much the point. But the test should, AI will get the cursor into the right box, and then it will insert the right secret. And it's done so with the email address. Very good so far. Should now do the same with password. There we go. It's done it. We've got a username and a password inserted, and it should now sign in. So we're going to let the rest of the test just basically run in the background. We've got to a point where things are basically showing existing stuff rather than new stuff. I'm going to show you now, if I go into test cases, this is the test that's running right now. And if I expand it, you'll see exactly the same steps that I saw when creating the test case, which is awesome because I can now get a feel for what this test is before I hit run. But also, you'll see the secrets that are in here are sort of stored with the test. Now, if I click on one of these secrets, I can replace them with a different secret. Or if I hit run, I can... I'm asked basically, do I want to run this test with the saved secrets or to provide new secrets? So it's possible to sort of do both from the point of running the test. So this test will now have everything it needs to kind of go. So one other thing to show you here is if I go into settings, on the far right here, I've got a new tab called Stored Secrets. And obviously, it's where I access all of my secrets that exist and can manage them. So I can see effectively when they were created, who created them, and when they were last modified from here. Also, we've got descriptions and tags here as well. So if I look at my Bruce demo secret here and click on the edit pencil, you'll see what other options we have here. So I can basically edit all the metadata, and I can replace the existing secret by pasting in a new secret, but I can't ever see existing stored secrets, and that is deliberate, and that's by design. Any other kind of management of the secrets in Key Vault can be handled with Azure Key Vault natively. It's the fantastic thing about using something like this from Microsoft, in that it just does what it says on the tin. I hope you agree with us that this is a really awesome feature and is so essential in kind of good AI governance as far as handling secrets is concerned. We're really excited for your feedback on it. I'd love to hear how it helps you, how you use it, and everything else. Thank you.